Hello guys, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to buy Hamster Kombat coins on Hamster Kombat. Let's get started. First, open Telegram. Open the Hamster Kombat channel. Tap on play at the bottom left. You can see the hamster character on the screen. If you tap on it once, you will gain +1 coin. If you keep on tapping with multiple fingers, the coins will increase accordingly. You can see the number of your coins you have on the top of the character. And that is how to buy Hamster Kombat coins. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.